Hello everyone, I'm Kai Huang. Today's presentation is about my learning plan. The learning strategy I've been using is self-testing. I've learned a lot of theory from the book Make It Stick, for example, spacing out the self-test sessions and interleaved practice. However, when I really tried out to apply it, I find the reality is different from the theory. I must keep making adjustments to make it suitable for my situation. My plan was to make some question answer format quiz by myself or find online questions. However, I found for some reason maybe Firebase is quite new and there's maybe no related certificate exam like AWS has related certificate and network has CCNA Cisco exam so that you can find related questions, but maybe Firebase is new so it's hard to find questions. I tried out to search for some interview questions. I did find some questions and I did my self-test session, my first self-test session, and I found that it's maybe not very helpful for my current stage. I'm still a new learner and the interview question are just two theory questions. So I think it may be not helpful for me. Therefore, I did some adjustment. Now I arrange a 2-hour session every weekend and try to implement what I've learned 2 weeks ago, 1 or 2 weeks ago. Spacing out sessions. My original plan was not to look at any documentation just by memory to implement by myself. But the difficulty of doing so is I forgot some commands, so that I couldn't continue. So I did another adjustment is writing down all commands that I need in a cheat sheet and allowing myself to look the cheat sheet only, but not the notes. It's much helpful. In the last 2-hour session, it went much smooth. I keep adding function to my ultimate project, Gumuku online board game. I like to make it professional, and eventually I'm gonna publish it. Hopefully people are willing to play around with it. So the learning resource that I've been using is the official documentations. It basically has everything, it's good. But the problem is I think my reading speed is slow and only text sometimes it's tedious. So I received some feedback in the discussion board, a YouTube channel, and a website that contains a lot of sample projects. I will use them as my auxiliary learning resource. Here is my learning plan for the next 4 weeks. So basically I will start to look at the documentation first, then check out some YouTube video related to that topic, and then check out some sample projects. Then in the weekend I will do a self-test session to cover a topic that I've learned 1 to 2 weeks ago. After the sessions I will review what I did good, what I did wrong, then I will start the next topic. This is my plan. At last, I'd like to ask you a question that I learned from Sheila. What's one thing you see me doing is getting in my way? Okay, thanks for watching.